Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Open More Toys. I'm James, and today on OMT, we have a very special episode. We're going to open up the rest of our 2-pack of Shopkins from our case, but if you just noticed, our case is empty. I went ahead and put the rest of those Shopkins inside this giant egg that I decorated with the Shopkin spilt milk on the front. So inside is 10 baskets of Shopkins and one more Shopkin surprise. I'm pretty happy with how spilt milk turned out. It took a long time to make her out of Play-Doh. Then, after we open up our egg, I have 2 12-packs to open up, and, like I said last week, we're going to go ahead and go open up the Small Mart set. So, I want to know who's your favorite fruit and veg Shopkin. Mine's is Rockin' Brock and Apple Blossom. Let me know yours by writing it in the comments down below. Now, I'm so happy with how spilt milk turned out, I'm just going to peel her right off the egg here, and I'm going to go ahead and save this little design. Alright, let's start peeling away the rest of the Play-Doh and look at what's inside. We'll peel back our little Shopkins sign there, and we'll peel back the rest of the white Play-Doh. So you can see the other 10 baskets of Shopkins in there, and you can see 1 pack in there, and that's a 5-pack of Shopkins. So we're hoping today we can finally get our limited edition Shopkins. I really don't care at this point which one it is, I just want to get one limited edition. Alright, let's open up our first basket of Shopkins. So we're almost done collecting all our Shopkins, other than limited editions. We just need a few more. I think we need somewhere around 20 something more out of the 148. And our first Shopkin today is Flava Ava, chocolate milk version. And our second Shopkin is Chapelle. Alright, since we opened up our first basket, for the rest of them, we'll go ahead and take out all the Shopkins out of the baskets and then open up all the bags at once. So, it'll be a little bit quicker. So here we have the bags of 18 Shopkins. Hopefully we can get a limited edition Shopkins, or just some new ones to go ahead to add to our display stand. Alright, and it looks like we got, yep, it's Rockin' Brock, my favorite vegetable Shopkin. And it looks like we got Pretzel. Now I'm going to put all the Shopkins that I currently already have, and I'll put those to the left. Any new Shopkins I'll put to my right. Alright, and we have Toofs. And we have Le Crush. we have Nutty Butter. Now, is Nutty Butter Nutella or peanut butter? Now, I'm thinking peanut butter because there's a celery stick sticking out of him, and usually people eat Nutella with, or peanut butter with celery, I think. And then we have Fairy Crumbs, and we're not getting as lucky as last week. Last week we got a bunch of new Shopkins, and we haven't found any yet, so hopefully we get some new ones, some ultra rares or something else. Oh, this is a new one. This is the blue Coolio. And then we have Swiss Miss, who I think should change names with Cheesy, because Swiss Miss is string cheese and Cheesy is closer to being the Swiss cheese. Alright, and then we have Dollops, the whipped cream Shopkins. Here's an ultra rare. This is Candy Cotton. And then we have Gertie, and I know a lot of you out there have commented that Gertie is one of your favorite Shopkins. And then we have Jelly Bee, the Jelly Bean Shopkins. And this is another new color Shopkin for me, with the pink jelly beans. And here we have Tommy Ketchup. We have the Health and Beauty Shopkins, Shampy, the shampoo. And it looks like we have another Dollops, and this is a brand new Shopkins to add to our collection. I see glitter. It's an ultra rare. This is Wishes, the birthday cake Shopkins, and I have the other color of Wishes, so I'm really happy that we got this one. This is another ultra rare that's brand new to me that we can add to the collection. And we have Lollipoppins. She's so sweet that even she can't help but lick herself. And our last Shopkins from our entire case of Shopkins, we have Posh Pear. Alright, let's open up our last surprise inside of our giant egg. It was the 5-pack of Shopkins. And on the front, you can see 4 of the Shopkins. We have Flava Ava, Lollipoppins, Nutty Butter, and Strawberry Kiss. And then our 5-pack also comes with 5 shopping bags, and then one more Shopkin in there is a mystery Shopkin. Now 3 of these Shopkins I already have, Flava Ava, Lollipoppins, and Nutty Butter. Put them off to the side, and we'll take a closer look at Strawberry Kiss, a brand new Shopkins. Now let's see who was inside of our mystery bag here. We have a brand new ultra rare. It's Bubble Tubs. I'm pretty excited. At this rate, we're going to complete the collection. And I'm hoping to complete and get all the Shopkins before Season 2 Shopkins come out. Alright, let's go ahead and open up our first out of 2 12-pack of Shopkins. We have Silky, Miss Twist, Tommy Ketchup, Spilt Milk, and Spilt Milk was on the front of our giant egg today. And then we have a Frozen edition Shopkins. This is Cool Cube. Then we have Candy Kisses, Little Sipper, Frankfurter, and we have Coolio and Dollops. So the Shopkins I already have, I'll go ahead again and put them off to the side, and we'll take a closer look at our brand new Shopkins. So it looks like we got 3 new Shopkins in this pack. But I'm still hoping to get another ultra rare or even a limited edition Shopkin in the 2 that came inside that mystery basket there. We got an ultra rare that I currently own already. This is Bubble Tubs. And we got another ultra rare. It's Delish Donut. Now I've been waiting to get this Delish Donut. The pink version was my very first ultra rare Shopkins, and now we finally got the other color. I have the matching set of Delish Donut Ultra Rares. Okay, let's go ahead and open up our other 12-pack and see what other new Shopkins we're getting at. We have Creamy Bun Bun, Cheesecake, Miss Mushy Move, Miss Swiss, Lippy Lips, Scrubs, Rock and Brock, Snow Crush, Nutty Butter, and Fairy Crumbs. And 2 more mystery Shopkins inside. And once again, we'll take out the ones that I currently already own, and we'll take another closer look at the new ones that we're going to add to our display. So far, I have 4 new Shopkins. Alright, this is my last chance today to try to get a limited edition Shopkins. I hear the chances are way better in the 5 and 12 packs inside these baskets, so hopefully we get one. Alright, we got a new Frozen Shopkins. This is Freezy Peasy in the blue color. And it's a brand new ultra rare. It's Millie Shakes. So these are all the new Shopkins I'm going to add to the display at the end of the video. So right now we'll go ahead and put those off to the side, and then we'll grab all our other Shopkins and put those off to the side because we need to open up Small Mart. Alright, I've had this Small Mart set for quite a while and I haven't opened it yet. Now the Small Mart comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins, and then this is probably one of the bigger play sets that the Shopkins makes. Alright, we have it all out of the box, and now we're going to take a closer look at everything. Now let's take a look at the 2 exclusive Shopkins that come with the Small Mart set. This is Margarina and Lala Ocean. And we're going to go ahead and put them right into the little shopping cart that it comes with. Now, Shopkins also makes a bigger shopping cart as another playset. So let's take a look at the Shopkin checkout lane here, and on the conveyor belt you can put a Shopkin, and then there's a little spin wheel, and you can check out your groceries. Oops, we went the wrong way. Let's spin it the other way so the Shopkin can end up back in the basket. Now we'll check out the slide. We'll put a basket underneath the slide, and on the back there's a little elevator for Shopkins to go onto, and they go up the elevator and down the slide. If you were a Shopkin, this would be really, really fun. And even the back of this playset is detailed. It looks like you're walking into the store. And I'll use these playsets and I'll put all my duplicate Shopkins on the shelves. And all the new Shopkins that we get go onto our display board here. Now, we have a whole handful of Shopkins that we got today that we're going to go ahead and add to this display to fill in all the spots of the missing Shopkins. Now if you remember, a few weeks ago we built this display board, and I have a video on how to make this display board. So here we are, all our Shopkins are on here, and we just have a few missing spots left. So hopefully in the next week or 2 we can go ahead and fill those up and get the entire set. The only thing I'm really missing though is limited edition Shopkins. I'll be happy to get 1, but there is 6 that we do need to collect. There's Cupcake Queen, Buttercup, Tina Tuna, Twinkie Winks, Papa Tomato, and Sunny Screen. So hopefully I can get 1 of those limited edition Shopkins. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click here right on the screen to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my future videos. Alright, thanks for watching this episode on OMT. See you next time.